Hey everybody, welcome back to AI for Real. And today I want to talk about what I think is the most important skill that nobody is talking about. And the crazy thing is it's not prompting, it's not automation, it's not knowing which AI tool is the best. It's something a lot older than that. It's judgment. Here's what I've noticed. The more people talk about AI, the more they seem to focus on what AI can do. But almost nobody talks about what AI can't do. And I think that's where the real opportunity is. You see, when I owned my restaurant, there were probably 50 different things competing for my attention every week, whether it was scheduling, ordering, training, marketing, staff communication, customer issues, inventory. The list never ended. If AI had existed back then, the way it does today, it could have helped me with a lot of those things. It could have written staff announcements. It could have helped build training documents, organize schedules, create marketing ideas, save me hours every week. But here's what it couldn't have done. It couldn't have decided how to handle a struggling employee. It couldn't have decided whether someone deserves another chance. It couldn't have decided what kind of culture we were trying to create. And it couldn't have decided what was best for the business when there wasn't a clear answer. That's judgment. And that's the part I think most people miss. When people ask me if AI is going to take jobs, I usually tell them the same thing. AI isn't coming for jobs, it's coming for tasks. And those are two very different things. Think about your own job. Whatever it is that you do, your job is probably 20 or 30 different tasks rolled into one. Some of those tasks can absolutely be automated, and they probably should be. But the decisions, the priorities, the trade-offs, the human side, that's still yours. Let that sink in. And honestly, I don't see that changing anytime soon. From what I've seen, people tend to make one of two mistakes with AI. The first group doesn't trust it at all. They ignore it and they avoid it. They keep doing everything manually because that's what they're comfortable with. And I understand that. But they're leaving a lot of time on the table. And then there's the second group. And honestly, I think this group is more dangerous. They trust AI too much. They ask it for something, they read it quickly, they copy it, they paste it, and then they send it. And the email goes out, the report gets submitted, the social post gets published, everything seems fine, but something is happening underneath the surface. They're slowly using less and less judgment, less critical thinking, less decision making. The skill that made them valuable in the first place starts getting weaker because they're not practicing it anymore. And that's where the problem starts. Here's the simple way that I think about it. AI is really good at helping you get somewhere fast, but it still can't decide where you should be going. You see, that's your job, not AI's, you. AI can help you write the email, but it can't decide if the email should be sent. AI can help you create a business plan, but it can't decide if it's a good business. AI can help you prepare for a difficult conversation, but it can't decide what kind of a leader you want to be. Those decisions still belong to you, and let that sink in. And honestly, that's how I use AI today. The most valuable conversations I've had with ChatGPT or Claude were valuable because it gave me an answer. They were valuable because it helped me think through a problem. That's a completely different relationship with the tool. I don't treat AI like an authority. I treat it like a thinking partner. Sometimes it helps me see a blind spot. Sometimes it helps me organize my thoughts. Sometimes it challenges an idea. And sometimes it's completely wrong. And that's okay, because I'm not looking for something to think for me. I'm looking for something that helps me think better. So if there's one thing that I would leave you with today, it's this. The next time you open ChatGPT, don't start with the prompt. Just pause. Start with the goal. Ask yourself, what am I actually trying to accomplish? What does success look like? What problem am I really trying to solve? Take 10 seconds and think about that first. Then let AI help. Because AI can help you move faster, but it still can't decide where you should be going. And I think that's the skill that's going to matter more and more over the next few years. It's not going to be prompting. It's not going to be automation. It's not going to be technology. It's going to be judgment. The ability to think clearly and make good decisions. That's the skill that I would not stop practicing, because no matter how powerful AI becomes, somebody still has to decide what to do with the answer. If you got any value out of this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments what's one thing that AI helps you with today that you never thought you'd use it for. Thanks for watching, and remember, real tools, real results for real life. We'll see you in the next video.